Hello, in this video we are going to look at dictionaries within Python. They're sort of like a hash table type, and they have key value pairs. You can think of them, in a very similar fashion to arrays as well. So to create a dictionary, we're just going to call it dictionary, and just put the curly braces. Now just put the name of the dictionary. To assign a value, we first put a key, so this has to be unique. So if I put 1, for example, that's a key. It can be a number, it can be a string, doesn't matter. Let's say if we assign this the value of item 1, and let's create another one, dictionary, and we're going to do 2 equals item 2, and let's do another one, dictionary 3 equals item 3. But for this one, we're going to set it actually to a string. So I'm going to say hello. So this is the key for this particular item. So we can print it off by using print dictionary. And what we can do, we need to access it. So we can access it via like 1, for example. We can print off another one. We'll print them all out, so 2. And for the final one, we need to use the key, because at the end of the day, we have a string as the key. So if I run this, and let's see what we get. And we're getting some error. So missing parentheses in call to print. Keep doing this. So if I run it again, and there we go. So we can also just print off the entire dictionary, like so. We can print off just the values of the dictionary, so dot values, and this is a method that returns all the values. And we can also print off all of the keys as well. So let's see what we get. So run it. And there we go. So the entire dictionary, just the values of the dictionary, and then the keys. So with the values, obviously item 1, item 2, item 3, and so happen to be all strings. You could explicitly put numbers there, floating point numbers, that's fine. And for the keys, 1, 2, and hello. So this corresponds with this one, this with this one, and this with this one. So that's one last thing I want to show you. And what I'm going to do is create a new dictionary. So I'm going to call this new dictionary, like so. And if we assign it some curly braces, but this time what we're going to do is do it all in line. So we're essentially going to create this dictionary we got here, but just if we know all the, let's say, some of the initial values, we can just do this. We can put, let's say you can put 1, and then we can put a colon, like so. And now we specify the value. So item 1. Now put a comma, we can put 2, and now we can specify value item 2, and now put hello, because again we're just trying to simulate the first dictionary, and we can put item 3. So the format is the key, colon, which separates the key and the value, then the value, again this could be a number, comma to separate each key value pair. And now what we'll do is just do print new dictionary, and we'll just print off the new dictionary. Obviously you can see how to access the values, you can see the different methods, and they're all applicable as well. So I just want to make sure it works. So as you can see, this has printed off and it's the exact same format, even though we did it all in one line. And you can obviously update values by just reusing that particular key, because you'll just overwrite that particular value. You can add more values, whether it's to this one or to this dictionary, by just specifying a whole new key. So this is really great for grouping common data. And another thing, dictionaries, aren't ordered in any sense, so they're not out of order, they're just unordered. So that's it for this demo. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.